Hey everybody! So today's a little bit of a different video. I am celebrating today. I recently reached out to the yarn brand Universal Yarn and asked them if they would be interested in doing a collaboration with me, and they said yes. I'm so excited. So I just received this beautiful box. Here it is here. I haven't opened it up yet, so excuse me if I freak. I'm so excited. So let's have a look and see what's inside. And then I'm going to show you guys what I'm kind of planning on making with the yarn. And yeah, so let's see here. You guys are going to see it before I do. Oh, I can see it on screen. Ooh, we got a little card. So from Universal Yarn, it says, "We're so happy to share some yarn with you. We hope it brings a little inspiration and joy to your creative time. Thank you for being a part of the crafting community and for all the care and creativity you put into your work. Happy making, the Universal team." And then they got their little socials on there and everything. Beautiful. Our box says, "Say hello to your new favorite yarn." No brainer. Let's see what we have. Ooh, oh, there's like little stick. Oh, okay. Everybody loves a free little gift. So we have 2 stickers here. This is not to be dramatic, but I need more yarn. That is appropriate. And this one is their logo, Universal Yarn. And a little notebook. Oh, I love that. That makes me so happy. Okay, cool. And then obviously the yarn. So here's all of our beautiful colors here. So I just want to show, I feel like the pink is going to show up really well on camera. So this is what our yarn looks like. Super beautiful. And did I mention this earlier that it's an anti-pill yarn? I can't remember. Either way, it's gorgeous. We've got pink, purple, white, blue. Oh, there's another sticker. Green. And another, this one feels more like a decal than a sticker. Beautiful. And did you guys notice the wrapping job as well? That was so beautiful and like professional. It made me feel like I was opening a gift. That was really exciting. So my plan for all of those different colors is I'm going to design a new cootie catcher. So these guys, this is my most recent one. So it comes with like the granny square. You see that really well on camera. There we go. It has like the granny square panels as opposed to just the regular rectangles. So I'm going to design something that looks kind of similar. We're going to do a granny square style again, but I'm going to make it a little bit different than just the little sunshines. I don't know exactly what I want to go for just yet. If you guys have any ideas, I was almost thinking maybe something like elemental, like each one's going to be a little bit different, like a fire, water, like earth kind of deal, or I don't know. If you guys have some suggestions, I'm open to suggestions. I kind of have to figure it out within the next couple of days. So I would love to hear your thoughts on it. Even if they're not all different, they can all be the same thing. I just, obviously didn't want to do like the exact same style as this one because I want to make something new. So let me know in the comments what kind of style you want to see because I'm going to be turning it into a pattern anyways. So if there's something you wanted in a pattern, you can let me know. Anyways, have you guys seen the cootie catcher? I guess I should show you what the inside looks like. So do you remember these as a kid? So you would guess, you'd ask your question like, is today a good day? And then you would pick a color. So I'm going to pick pink, P-I-N-K. And you look inside, you find the color or the number that you want. So we'll go with number 3. So go 1, 2, 3. Pick another number. We're going to go with 8 because it's big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you pick your final number. Let's go with 4. And I didn't check beforehand, so I don't know if this actually says yes or no, but it says no. No, today is not a good day. It is a great day. So there we go. Anyways, like I mentioned, please let me know what you think kind of granny square I should turn this yarn into. And thank you for celebrating with me. This is a really exciting day, so I'm so happy to share this with you guys. I make new videos every Thursday, so feel free to tune in, subscribe if you haven't already, and that way you can get the notifications when the new videos come up. Normally I do pattern videos. Today it was a little bit more about me because I was just really excited and wanted to share with you guys too. But I'll have a pattern video out next week. All right, take care.